Hello and welcome to another ride along. This video brings us out to the Pennsylvania Turnpike Connector of the New Jersey Turnpike. We're going to take this across the Delaware River Bridge and then head on to the connecting ramp to I-95 South. The new ramps to I-95 opened about 4 years ago, 4 years ago, and completed the missing link of Interstate 95. Coming up it is the exit for Route 130, Florence, Burlington, New Jersey. And 4 miles to Pennsylvania. Going across the Delaware River Bridge. The infamous Delaware River Bridge. If you recall, a few years past, not too many years ago, there was a major crack found and there was a major structure issue found on the bridge. Eventually down the line, they will have to look into replacing the bridge. As will they with all the bridges across the Delaware at some point or another. It's nice to see this is finally 2 lanes through the toll plaza. Used to only be 1 lane for Easy Pass. Not too long ago. I would have to imagine when the new bridge is built, whenever that's going to be, it will probably be upgraded 3 lanes in each direction. Something seems to tell me at one time there was a 3rd lane going across the Delaware River Bridge. Am I right? Am I wrong? I don't remember. Maybe like 10 years ago? And then you just decide not to use it anymore. Kind of like what's going on with the Tacony-Palmyra Bridge. That used to be a 4 lane. It used to be 2 and 2. Now it's bi-directional type thing, where you have 2 one-way, or asymmetrical, I should say, where you have 2 one-way but 1 the other way. Wow, check out that guy from, where is he, Connecticut? Yeah, he's going a little fast, buddy. We're doing 79, which even we're going faster than we should be. Don't tell the officers. But he had to be doing about 90. Alright, speed limit's 50, time to slow it down. Back it down to 70, how about that? Which really, we are going with the flow of the traffic. So, I mean, if they wanted to give us a ticket, they would have to give everybody here a ticket. And you can see if you, well, we're not zoomed in, not a very good angle, but there's enough volume on this bridge to where there is a need for a 3rd lane in each direction. Like I said, I think this once was 3 lanes each way. And then they just decided that, you know what, let's make it just be a shoulder. I could be wrong, though. Yeah, I think I'm wrong. I don't think this was ever 3rd lane. And welcome to Pennsylvania. technically still on I-95. Once you get up to this ramp up here, which we will take the ramp to continue on 95, that's where 276 starts. Used to be 276, went to Pennsylvania Turnpike Connector. Not anymore. And we are now on the Pennsylvania Turnpike in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. And in 1 mile, we will split off for the ramp to I-95 south. Which 95 continues on the ramp. In case you're wondering, 95 in Pennsylvania starts at milepost 43. And it's 43 miles to Delaware. Here we come. Big ramp to continue on 95. Believe it or not, this is the first time we have ever recorded this ramp. Alright, what are we doing, Toyota Corolla? We are now on the ramp, which connected the link of I-95. Interesting to note, we just saw a traffic camera on this bridge. Or connector ramp. Makes you wonder if it's actually who's operating, PennDOT or Turnpike. And check out on the left, they actually left enough room here for a third lane if it ever was needed. Back there. That's a pretty wide area. So kind of be like a 3 merging out of 2 lane scenario. And we are now on what was the old Interstate 95. Once we merge in up here, up ahead. And that's where we'll leave you off on this video. Yep, time to pass the Corolla. Not sure why he's going so slow. Alrighty, and we are back into the old stretch of 95. However, there is a little change here that was made with that. The third lane does start a little bit sooner. Third lane used to not start till further down. The northbound used to end further up. So this is a widened stretch of I-95 now. As you can see here. See, left lane ends, merge left, merge right, and you have another on-ramp. So it did increase the capacity through here, which is a good thing. It was needed. Because the amount of volume through here has gone up because of the new ramp and the new connection. Alrighty, thanks for watching. And if you want to see more content like this, or anything else we do, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another ride-along video